Hi everyone. So today we are going to see the function specification document regarding the interface. In the last session, we saw how the data is getting transferred from S4 HANA system to the Ariba system. Now we have another requirement where the business wants to send the purchase order from S4 HANA system to Supply ERP. Now think that Supply is not using Ariba, even he does not use SAP. He is going to use his own system, which is called as a Supply ERP. Okay, for that system, how you are going to send the data from S4 HANA? That is the requirement of this function specification document. So if you see here, in the you have an object ID. It is an important ID. Based on this ID, you can mention this as an interface, and you can tag this to the business. And object type is nothing but the interface. You are saying this is an interface document, or this is an interface ticket. Okay, and you have an object title where it says purchase order out from S4 HANA to the SAP Supply ERP. Okay, and you see process area. Process area is nothing but who is going to handle this FS document. So procurement guy is going to handle this. And what is the source system? Source system is SAP, and the target system is E1. That is a Supply ERP. Okay, and if I scroll down, these are the rules and regulation and the best practice which we use to write the FS document. And here you see the tables and content what all this FS document contains of. And here you're going to see what is the use of this FS document. So let's see what is the description of this FS document. So the functional specification document contains information related to interface between SAP and E1. SAP is nothing but our system, and E1 is nothing but the supply system. This interface is being developed for interface transaction, where the transaction will happen between SAP and the legacy system. Purchase order needs to be sent out of SAP to E1 for the scenarios when one plant is on SAP and other is on M3. M3 is another ERP. So business is using two softwares, which is SAP, which is M3, and it can be in one company code, business may use SAP, and in another company code, they may use the M3. So that whenever they want to transfer the purchase order from this company to that company, this can happen in the STO scenario. At that time, we are going to do this FS document. So what is the overview? Outbound interface needs to be developed that will send purchase order from SAP to E1. Okay, and we have some criteria here. Based on that criteria, only that data will be sent to the M3 system. All the data will not be sent to the M3 system. Only the criteria which we give to the SAP system will only send that data to the other system. Okay, now what is the to-be process? For example, purchase order will be created in SAP, but the plant setup in SAP. To start with the plant, this is a plant would be go live in SAP. This plant is going to go live in SAP. Now, plants on SAP would be regenerating purchase order to plant on SAP. SAP is creating a purchase order. This purchase order needs to send out from SAP to Supply ERP. In Supply ERP, the PO would generate the sales order. Okay, here I need to understand what is the criteria which you are going to set for this system. Now this is the logic. Now, if you see this logic, this outbound interface would be an internal interface, as some company would be working on SAP and few on M3. Before all the entities are live on SAP, The source system is SAP S/4HANA. The target system is E1, that is a legacy system. So what is the requirement? The purchase order needs to be sent out from SAP to E1. Now you have some filter here. Based on this filter, you can send only this data to the other system. So what is the filter? You need to select all the purchase orders and you need to put a filter of supplier number. Where the supplier number is, for example, EQ. So only that purchase order needs to be sent to the other system. And you have some document type where you need to send only that document type to the other system. So document types are these. Only these document types can be sent to the other system. Except this document type, none of the purchase order will be sent to the supplier or any other plant. Okay, based on this logic, the Agape is going to build and program project, and he is going to provide the triggering point to us. So whenever we trigger, that will get the data will get transferred from this system to that system. Okay, and we have some security purpose questions, and we have some synopsis here. These all are the synopsis. And if you want to maintain the PO copy, how the PO copy should look, you can attach a PO copy form here so that they can build the PO copy form based on your file which you provide. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.